Hi everyone, welcome to a virtual trade show and thanks for joining us. First, on behalf of everyone at Allen Field, we hope you are doing well and staying safe. As you can see from the introduction, we are Allen Field Company, developer, producer, and supplier of environmentally friendly plastic components for packaging. During this week, we've been doing segments that focus on a particular line of our product, and today we're talking about connecting clips. If you are a package designer in packaging sales or responsible for packaging in a plant, this is important information for you. For many of you, there is constant pressure to improve packaging. Packaging doesn't have to be problematic to be improved, but when there is a problem, what are your options? We've helped many companies in countless industries improve packaging and solve problems with our line of corrugated connecting clips and corrugated fasteners. These clips were developed primarily in the beginning to facilitate repeated access to heavy computer servers before final implementation in a B2B facility. Repeated access to heavy computers, servers. Allen Field quickly recognized that there were many different industries that could benefit from this technology. Thousands of companies worldwide now rely on Allen Field's line of box connecting and corrugated fastener clips and enjoy an ROI due to one or more of the following. It allows repeated access to product inside without compromising the original packaging. For example, if you make a product that needs additional work after packing, but before reaching the end user, clips save time and money when you would spend unpacking and repacking. Let me give you an example. Box clips also provide a user-friendly unpacking experience that customers appreciate and can help build brand loyalty. It builds loyalty not only with the customer, but those potential customers who see positive reviews in the unpacking process. Let me give you an example of that. Box clips help streamline the assembly by allowing products to be packed from the ground up. Using a tray and sleeve design, no need to lift and lower heavy components awkwardly into a box. Just place them on a tray and cover and use our clips and put the tray and sleeve together. Also eliminates strapping, which can be loose and fall off or tight and damage the packaging or the product inside. This can be especially detrimental on retail packaging. Consumers don't like loose strapping or torn boxes, and it can drive them to a competing product or leave it on the shelf as if it's damaged and get returned to the manufacturer. They also replace tape, glue, or dangerous staples. Opening a box sometimes requires a sharp knife, which can result in injury. Boxes that are stapled and present the same risk can be under-applied and ineffective or over-applied and costly. Facilitates easy repacking for returns, making the packaging reusable and sustainable. Allows easy access for inspection. Very helpful on large shipments where a percentage must be inspected upon receipt. Quickly eliminates or validates the state of the inner contents of the outer package if the outer packaging shows damage. Customizing of our clips. For example, this is just a representative sample of some of our clips. Customer picked out a clip and liked it very much, worked for their use, but they wanted to make it unique to their and match their designscape in their graphics. So they asked us to design the clip that'll work the same way, but is in an oval shape and in a light gray material which matched their graphics and the style of the box that they were making. Also what's new is our new side mount handle, which is our 920, which not only acts as a box clip from the outside, putting two walls together, but also becomes a side mount handle. We also did a customized box clip for a unique application where the customer wanted a wow experience when it gets to the consumer. So they came to us with a clip that we were able to eliminate multiple components and use our box clip strategy to assemble the components to the box. This is a spring-loaded clip which locks on a turn, images of a lock and open, pops open, and the tray is released. I want to thank you for joining us today and talking about our connecting clips, and allow us to help you choose the right clip for your package or design one that meets your needs. Thank you again.
As the leader in plastic handles around the world, people come to us all the time asking us for solutions to problems that they have carrying the product, whether it's within a factory or B2C kind of business. One of those examples is where we just recently developed this patio door window handle. It's a piece of plastic that actually will slide over the nail fin, get screwed together, and create a handle that, with one person on each side, can easily be carried out of a retail store.
Before you go, there is one more. We have a new economy line rotary clip that I'd like to show you, our BC 150 and 125. We have two sizes so far, and let me show you how that works. I want to thank you again, and I wish you all to be well and stay safe.